Hello, welcome to Amanda Baba's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Ghana waakye. The main ingredient I'm going to use is 3 cups of rice, 1.5 cup of beans, and waakye leaves. I'm going to take the waakye leaves, wash it, add to the beans, add water, and put it on the stove. I've washed the beans and the waakye leaves, and I've added the waakye leaves to the beans. And I've set the heat on high for the beans to boil. So now I'm going to check the beans. I'm going to scoop it and squeeze it, and it's ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do is to take out the leaves. After taking out the leaves, I'm going to add some salt and then taste it. After adding my salt, I'm going to lower the heat and add my rice. Then I'm going to leave it to cook. The water has been absorbed and the rice is still a little hard, so I'm going to add some more water and cook it until it is nice and soft. So this is the end result. I chose to eat mine with eggs. You can choose to eat yours with chicken, cow meat, any other meat of your choice. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.